Guys from the Yeryork store sent me this little pressure washer. We're going to test it out and see how it does. The assembly took less than 5 minutes. Got very well packaged in the box there. But let me show you how this thing goes together. To make it work, it comes with a washer already in the hose fixture on the back. So you're just going to hook up the hose to the back of the machine here. Right there at the bottom. Turn the water on, make sure it's not leaking. That's your handle there. We're going to stick our wand in here. And it's just going to clip into place there. And you've got, comes with 4 different tips here, depending on what kind of pattern you want, really fine or you want it spread out more. You flip it on. It's going to automatically shut off the pump as soon as you let off the handle. Detergent wise, it really depends on what you're cleaning. You don't want to use anything too heavy as far as caustic or acidic stuff. And we'll hook up our little soap bottle and it does the same thing. It just clicks in there, give it a quarter turn, and then soap it up. And let's go ahead and slap this thing off here, and it's just gonna push in a little bit, give it a turn, take it off, and stick your wand back in there. And I really like this pressure washer.